Kise, we're gonna make mochi.
Yeah, I said mochi.
What?
You saying hey really fast, Mommy?
So mochi is originally made in Japan. It's made from rice, and then they pound the sticky rice very fast for about 2 minutes.
They were doing like this. Hey, 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 hey. They were doing that. Gonna make Nutella mochi.
First thing that I want to do is we're gonna make kind of little scoops of Nutella on a plate, and then we're gonna freeze it.
Can I
don't really know how
get
big
a
a ball
spoon and to eat it? Maybe just.
I'll let you guys help if you both go wash your hands first, actually. Whoops. I don't want the kids to do this.
But it's on this.
Just because it's on the spoon doesn't mean you have to eat it.
I have to.
Roll this into a ball, like this.
Oh, it's so
Okay,
messy.
now put it down.
Scary. Will we be licking our hands?
Go ahead and lick your hand.
It tastes just like Nutella. Can I do another?
Heck no.
Can I?
Sure. Alright, that's good. Good job. That one will be yours.
No, I cleaned off my hands. Look, Teddy.
Okay, this is Mochiko sweet rice flour. I had to get this off of Amazon because I couldn't find it anywhere else. We're gonna mix this with water and sugar, and then we're gonna microwave it for like 30 seconds. Mix it, microwave it, mix it until it gets to the right consistency of mochi. See, we're gonna get to 150 grams. So can you carefully scoop little bits of sugar into here?
Can I scoop sugar? Can I mix it again, Mommy?
Okay. Okay, we're gonna put plastic wrap over the
I
top.
feel it. Oh, it feels so smooth.
Whoa, plastic wrap. It's amazing.
20 years, okay? How would we do it for
Put a couple of scoops on it. So, hold on, it's getting a little bit hot, so just be careful, but you can start mixing it and see how it's gotten thicker.
Oh, it's so hot.
Let's pretend we're those guys on the show. Hiya, 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 hiya. Your turn.
I want to squeeze it.
Okay. Good job.
And it will look.
The cornstarch is really important because we've got to make
Oh, you got it.
whole surface for the mochi to go down on.
has to be.
The mochi is going to be very sticky. Before it gets too cooled off, we need to turn it into balls. I'm going to taste it and see if it tastes like mochi.
I hope it does.
Taste
Taste it? Yeah. I like mochi too. He's never even tried mochi. Now I'm really messy. Ta-da! Look, my hands are.
Okay, so these are frozen-ish. And I put the Nutella inside, and then I'm gonna close the mochi around it, and then we're gonna roll it. Okay,
I
ready?
wanna do it.
So roll it really softly.
Roly
Okay, Kenzie, ready?
It's getting all sugary.
I can't wait to have a roly-poly.
Okay, roll.
I can't wait to eat
All
it.
right, let's see how it's going. Drop it into my hands. Looks good, buddy.
Can I have it? I want to choose a bite.
What do you think?
I want to choose it.
What do you think of your first mochi experience?
It's spilling.
Can I have one?
Whoa, I just shoved it in his mouth.
Can you bring the plate up?
What do you think of it?
Good.
You like it?
Uh-huh. Imagine trying to only get the chocolate.
The biggest one.
Oh, the biggest one?
The fattest one.
Do you like this treat?
Have some of it.
I feel like there's a lot riding on this moment.
Eat bees? You ate a bee! Dad, you ate the bee! I told you not to eat that bee!
Well, the Nutella is definitely a saving point to it.
It's
It's better than what I remember it.
Quite gooey. It's kind of like Play-Doh.
Can I play with the Play-Doh? Play.
It totally tastes like the mochi I had growing up. Has that same texture and taste, so I feel like that turned out really good. But I've never had mochi with Nutella in it, which definitely adds to me liking it. Huh. Maybe 15 more seconds.
It's Daddy.
Whatever could that be?
Daddy's gasser.
Is it my breath? It's my breath. Hiya, 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 hiya. How are my teeth?
I got feeling.
This is like American mochi where you put chocolate in it.
America does everything better.
It's good. One more second.
I don't know what I'm doing.
All right.
All right, let's